What's up, my bearded brethrens, my brethrens of the beard? This is actually probably a world's first unboxing. I'm actually unboxing a package I got in the mail right here in the L&D department, where my wife is right here with my son. We're going to be opening a package today from, BALM, Bar Brand Beards. I can't be loud or a lot of editing here because, you know, I have to kind of stay somewhat quiet. But I'm on the job, I'm opening it. Like I said, I'm dedicated to my YouTube channel. So we're going to be opening this piece and see what we got. Uh-oh, what do we get here? Bar Brand Beards. We have handmade with love. Got that triple B. Bam! Awesome. Nighttime handmade butter. Ooh. Love butters. What we got here? We got a lot of stuff here. Wow. A man text, hook me up. We have handmade. Hold on. I gotta open it. Like your stuff, man. Oh, it's awesome. Really secure, man. Seriously. Ooh, this is what I ordered right here. Bam! Hold on, let me try to zoom. Look at that, man. This is what I saw that was available, and I told him I'm gonna order it right away as soon as it is. And here it is. I can't wait to smell this. What else do we have? Oh yeah, this is what I was waiting for. My mistake. I was actually looking at this online. It's funny that he sent it. It is actually funny that he sent it. And the description of this was absolutely awesome. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Ooh, right here. Banana, what was it? Banana bum. I saw this on his Instagram. He said it was going to be available really soon. I told him to inbox me as soon as it goes up on his website. And he did that, and I ordered it. The first thing I've noticed that he utilizes a lot of different butters and carrier oils and essential oils as well, like a lot. I don't know if you can see the description right there of the list that he has, but it's a lot of ingredients in this container right here. I believe this is a 4-ounce tin, so you get a lot of product. I love the 4-ounce butters. I tend to lean towards more of the 4-ounce butters. I think you actually use more butters in the beard than balm, technically. But I can't wait to smell this. But that's not it. It looks like we have. My wife really laughing at me. She's like right there. Ooh, oh my god. Dude. Damn it, Tex. I can tell you right now, Tex got a grade A in securing his packages. What do we got here? The dude. Alright. I can't wait to smell this, man. This is awesome. Totally secure. He wraps it in bubble wrap and then he secures it with plastic right here. So this stuff is not going anywhere. It's not going to get destroyed during shipping on probably any conditions. Like I said, this is a very special unboxing. I'm literally doing it while my wife is here holding our newborn child. As you guys don't know, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you know I just had a newborn baby boy, 9 pounds. A real heavyweight baby boy. I'm really excited to see him grow. But with Tex from Bar Brand Beards, thank you. Sorry that it's not that much of a graphic type video that I usually do, but I'm keeping these videos rolling like I told you guys in 2020. My New Year's resolution is to pump out videos consistently, and that's what I'm doing. So, thanks, Tex, for giving me this awesome stuff right here. I can't wait to smell it. I can't wait to test it out. Take it easy, guys. Love you.